Hi everyone, today I will show you the installation process of Ford 2015 to 2020 radio with amplifier. This is what it looks like before installation. Remove the cover plate above. Remove these two screws. Pry open this storage box. Remove these two screws. Pry open the outer frame of the original car. Remove the original car frame. Unplug the original car plug. Unscrew the screws on the original car engine. Take out the original car engine. Unplug the plug from the original car host. Original car host display. Unscrew the screws on the original car display screen. Take out the original car display screen and unplug the plug on it. Remove these two buttons from the original car's air conditioning panel. Unscrew the screws on the air conditioning panel casing. Remove the air conditioning panel casing and unscrew the screws on the motherboard. Remove the motherboard. Install these two buttons on the new radio. Install this plastic casing and tighten the screws. Move these buttons over and install them. Install the air conditioning motherboard and tighten the screws. Install the plastic casing of the air conditioning panel and tighten the screws. Connect these two 4G antennas. Connect GPS antenna. Connect the reverse line of sight. Connect these to USB cables. Connect RC8 cables. Connect the radio antenna. Connect Canbus box. Connect the amplifier box. Plug in audio cable. Connect the 8-pin serial port cable to the radio. Connect the radio power supply. Insert these two reverse-facing lines of sight. Connect these plugs to the original vehicle. Reinstall the host and tighten the screws. Connect the plug on the air conditioning panel properly. Install the new radio and tighten the screws. Replace the storage box and tighten the screws on top. Reinstall this cover plate. Set the protocol first after booting up. Air conditioning and button function demonstration. Radio function demonstration. Music playback and steering wheel button function demonstration. Reverse rear view demonstration. DSP function demonstration. Video playback function demonstration. Original car settings. Car door information demonstration. Connect CarPlay. CarPlay navigation demonstration. CarPlay music playback. CarPlay makes phone calls.